Hi, my name's Neil. Welcome to my channel. What I'm trying to do here isn't to teach you Gaelic per se, but to teach you enough about Gaelic to help you in your learning when you're using other resources, because most of you will already be following some kind of course, whether that's a book, a website, or lessons with a teacher. So I'm not going to go into exact detail on a lot of things. My goal is simply to give you a little bit of extra information, show you a bit of the big picture, so information that you can use in addition to the classes that you are taking anyway. I learned Gaelic myself. I started when I was in my mid-20s. I've taken courses at the Sol Morostig, and I've even taught the language myself in evening classes. I also teach other languages. I've taught some Spanish, some French, and quite a bit of English. Most of my expertise and my experience has come through teaching English. I found that a lot of things confused me when I started, and some things didn't confuse me but confused other people I was studying with or spoke to at events. So what I'm trying to do here is simply find those points where people get confused and just remove the confusion. So maybe the subjects I'm talking about will be things you've already studied and maybe you're still slightly unclear on. Or maybe they're things that you've not studied yet. The important thing here is I'm not expecting you to memorise what I say and remember everything. I'm just trying to, as I say, give you that big picture, something that will then work with the information that you get from your teachers and your course books, and will help you develop a fuller understanding of the language and just get rid of some of that confusion. So I hope you'll stick around, and I hope these videos are useful to you. But for now, cheery and drasta.